The psychology department at the University of South Wales has some fantastic facilities. We have specific teaching spaces, research pods, student social learning spaces, and 2 dedicated psychology labs. We have 2 psychology laboratories. These are purpose-built spaces where students learn how to collect data from human participants using industry-standard equipment. We've designed workshops around the equipment so students can become familiar with a range of methods and analyses. Students are then able to use the equipment when conducting independent research as part of their final year dissertation. These facilities provide immersive learning experiences using industry-standard equipment and give students the opportunity to put their learning into practice and enhance their employability skills. In psychology, we have a team of dedicated psychology technicians who support our teaching and research in our labs. Our technicians are always on hand to answer questions that students and staff might have, and they're there to help us to use the equipment on a day-to-day basis. EEG allows us to measure the brain's electrical activity that is linked to a particular activity or cognitive function. What is important about using EEG is that it allows us a window into a process as it unfolds in real time, giving us insights beyond behavioral measures, which simply detail the end of that process. Our Maxdim Egi System is an advanced EEG system that is comfortable to wear for participants, making it useful when working with children or recording over longer periods, such as during a sleep study. It's a complete package which can record, visualize, and extract data for statistical calculation. It also gives flexibility because it can be used in conjunction with other technologies such as our eye tracker and our BioPack system. The Maxdim system is one of the market-leading EEG systems. At present, there are over 1,800 published research papers using this system, and this is growing daily. If you're interested in a career in neuropsychology or neuroscience, then knowledge and experience with our EEG system would be a fantastic benefit to you in your future career. The observation suite allows us to observe human behavior in a more natural manner by removing the researcher from the environment. The suite is made up of 2 rooms separated by a one-way viewing panel, which can be used to engage in covert observation of people completing tasks. So, for example, children playing and interacting with others, or observing how a suspect reacts to questioning. These rooms are also equipped with cameras for us to record the activity and facilitate further analysis of the observed behaviors. Students use these facilities in their workshops, and they can then develop their dissertations around them. Our Tobii Eye Tracker tracks the movement of your eyes. It's used to track the path of gaze or focus when you're looking at an object, and can even spot the smallest microsaccades. Areas of fixation are indicated by the red dot, and the dot grows the longer the fixation lasts. Using this equipment, we can gain insight into aspects of human behavior that are not explicit in that they can't be expressed or known, but the eyes don't lie. What aspects of gambling advertising draw the attention of children, so how big or bright or bold are messages, and then how does that relate to the urge to gamble? We also have Tobii eye tracking glasses, which can be used to gather data in the real world. This can help us shed light on how people interact with their environment, what catches their attention, drives their behavior, or influences their decision-making. It does so by providing a unique first-person perspective into eye gaze and attentional focus. It does this on the move by capturing and recording the scene, as well as what the eyes gaze upon in the scene. BioPack allows us to measure physiological responses such as heart rate, brain activity, skin conductance, and galvanic skin response. BioPack is something that we use regularly in our teaching to demonstrate biological principles such as the effects of music on emotional reactivity and physiological responses to key stimuli. Students work in group during 3-hour practical sessions where they will act as experimenter and participant. These sessions promote active learning through practical tasks and develop their knowledge and their skills. Students learn to attach the equipment in the correct way and to ensure data is gathered correctly. So if you were interested in a career, for example, looking at the efficacy of therapeutic interventions, then BioPack experience would be a very good thing to have.